Well, hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. Rog here, aka the Gourmet Grandad. Well, unfortunately for me, I've just come back from a fabulous holiday in Corfu. There we go, look, my wonderful Corfu t-shirt, a Greek island. And I say unfortunately because, well, it was just so warm and sunny out there and I loved every minute. But the good side is I brought a few ideas back with me, cooking wise that is. Tonight's menu is going to be beef stivado. It's a very traditional Greek dish, and I think they do a chicken stifado as well. I've seen those in some of the restaurants, but that can be another day. So anyway, I'm going to carry on with this one. Hope you enjoyed the video. So let's get cooking. Here we have 3 cloves of garlic that have been thinly sliced, 400 grams of shallots that have been peeled. Got some oregano. We're going to need a pinch of sugar, a large pinch of salt, 3 bay leaves fresh from my garden, and also some rosemary fresh from my garden, some chicken stock, nothing special, they're just OXO cubes, some red wine vinegar, about 1/3 to 1/2 a can of chopped tomatoes, 1 tablespoon of tomato puree, put that to one side. Then on here we have some cloves, about 5, some whole peppercorns, probably about 10, 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, and a tablespoon of cumin. And 800 grams or thereabouts of beef steak, which have been cut into quite large chunks, quite thin but quite large. A glass of red wine, and to finish off we're going to need some flat leaf parsley, or parsley, it's just as a garnish or to make it look pretty. Now we'll take a large pan and put it on the hob, a drop of cooking oil. Crikey, we've nearly run out. That should do. Now we can sear off the beef. That's a strange word, isn't it, sear? But it will seal in the flavour of the meat and it will make for a better stifado when it's all finished. Now the reason I've used this stewing beef is because it's cheap. Well, not just cheap, it's absolutely packed with flavour, and because we're going to be cooking it for such a long time, it's going to end up really nice and tender. Now that's nicely seared, I'm going to transfer this to another plate. Now let's crack on with the rest of the dish. In we go with our 400 grams of shallots, a large pinch of sugar, and a pinch of salt, some ground black pepper. In that goes. Then we can go in with our cloves, our peppercorns, our cinnamon, and the nutmeg. Get that all in there, and the cumin. Give that a good old mix around. Then in with our bay leaves, about 3. Give them a little twist and a little scrunch, they go in. Then in with the tomato puree, straight in that goes. And one of the important things about beef stifado is a decent glug of red wine vinegar, that gives it so much flavour. Then in with the red wine, about 1/2 glass. Where the other half's going to go, I think that's a little chef's delight. Now I really wish you guys could smell this, it smells fantastic already. The aroma in my kitchen now is amazing. So now we can add our sliced garlic, our rosemary, that goes in, about 2 teaspoons of oregano, Then back in with the beef. There we go. In with about 1/4 of a tin of chopped tomatoes. It's a bit of a cheat really, but I do like to add that flavour. In with the chicken stock. Now a really nice glug of extra virgin olive oil. Now no messing about, I'm going to bring this back to the boil, whack a lid on in the oven, 170 degrees, gas mark 3 for about 3 hours, and then I'll be ready to sit down and have a feast. So I'll see you guys back here in 3 hours. Now for the taste test. Wow, that beef Stifado, that's really something. I'm glad I brought that idea back with me. It's so tasty. It's got everything in it, and the shallots are really so sweet when they cooked. So thank you for watching this latest video of mine. Hope you've enjoyed it. Hope it inspires you to copy and try this for yourself. You will enjoy it, I'm sure. So please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I would be so grateful, and happy days. I'll see you again next time. Bye for now.